Hello everyone, it's the beginning of a new trading week, Monday the 12th of May. And if you don't want to miss what's happening in the markets today, stick around for today's Markets in Minutes by PU Prime. As markets opened for the week, we observed a somewhat calmer sentiment, driven by positive developments on the geopolitical front. India and Pakistan have reached a ceasefire agreement, and there are maybe reports and news of a potential trade deal between the US and China. So, in response, the fear index or the volatility index is starting the week lower and currently trading around 22 points. This lower move indicates that market participants are somewhat anticipating lower volatility over the next 30 days. Today, when we look at the economic agenda, we are looking at a relatively calm trading session, mainly because there's not much, on the news, and what really it really sets the tone for a quieter start to the week, which isn't necessarily a bad thing considering what's ahead. When we look at the economic agenda for the week, we are gearing up for some really significant economic announcements in the coming days, which includes the US inflation data expected to be announced tomorrow, several GDP readings from the UK and the Eurozone, as well as monthly reports regarding the oil markets from the IEA and OPEC as well. So, yeah, it's looking like an eventful week, definitely something to keep an eye on. Now, let's take a look at how prices are moving today. When we look at the dollar index, we can see that it kicked off the week on a stronger note, showing an upward gap to around 100.70. This movement had a noticeable impact on the euro dollar pair as well, which lost 50 pips right at the market open. We have seen also a similar reaction on other currencies or major pairs like the pound versus the dollar. Gold, on the other hand, also took a hit, dropping roughly around 1% in value as trading began and currently trading below the $3,300. Whether we will be able to reclaim this key level is something that we will likely see by the beginning of the US market session today. That's all for today's market update. Stay tuned for to PewPie for more insights, and let's make the most out of this.